Welcome to our 3D metal finishing webinar. We're going to dive into some of the details and explore how you can get your 3D printed parts to the exact finish that you're looking for. It's great to have an expert in the field here, Justin Michaud, CEO of REM Surface Engineering. REM is a provider of equipment and services that enable you to get your parts finished exactly the way you want them. These guys here, we have a couple of shock absorber pistons. Great example for the studio system with the kind of complex internal channels and things like that. But this one here has been REM'd. So what's the benefit there for the REMs?
Yeah, so since this is a fluid application here, or a fluid interacting application, my first thought would be relative to the actual flow properties themselves. So by reducing the surface roughness, we can reduce the turbulence that's on there and improve what they call the laminar flow properties. So things will flow more smoothly. You're not going to create as much agitation in that liquid, and that can be beneficial for a variety of reasons. We're also going to have a nice benefit here again on the cleanliness side of things. We're not going to be looking to have any small little partially sintered elements dissociating into that liquid. It's going to stay clean, it's going to stay robust. This isn't going to change.